I don't know if you've ever heard about Duang AI. This is an AI plugin that is revolutionizing AI experience within Google Chrome. And I've been testing it for the last few days, and I must say I am simply blown away with the experience, feel, and the features of this tool. So if you're looking for a way to improve your experience within Google Chrome and to take your productivity to a whole new level with AI tools, guys, you want to stick around and watch the entire video, because I'm going to show you how to install this extension and simply how to use and navigate it to take your experience and productivity to a whole new level. And on top of that, you can utilize and use this extension for free. But if you'd like to upgrade to the VIP package, then in the description you can find a link to install the extension and also a discount code that I'm providing with you that you can use to purchase a year membership. So if this sounds fascinating to you, let's head over to my screen so that I can revolutionize your world and show you what Duang AI is all about. Let's go. So guys, as you can see here on my screen, I have the Chrome extension Duang AI. And within the description of this video, you can find the link to get this AI. It's simply www.com/AI. But for ease, just check out the video description here and you will find a direct link that takes you right to this page. And as you can see, it says here, make AI easy, a revolutionary extension. Guys, Duang AI is one of the world's most popular browser extension that beautifies your home page experience, and it effectively improves your productivity. So if I scroll down a bit here, you can see that it mentions quite a lot of AI tools, which I will definitely get into and show you what there are inside here. And also you can scroll on a bit and you can find quite a lot more information about the VIP and so forth. So one, you can simply go ahead and try to upgrade to VIP for free, as that's also there. Just follow those instructions here and you can definitely try to claim VIP. Other than that, check out the link within the description so that you can get a discount code for a year long. Now, if you scroll down a bit, guys, as you can see here, it is rated 5-star within Google Chrome. Over 70 plus national users, which basically means that over 70 different countries are currently, you can find users using this tool. It supports over 8 languages at the moment, and there's over 30 plus AI tools, images, videos, text, and so much more that you can find. But I'm telling you, once you get inside, you will see that there's quite a lot within this tool. So with all that said, guys, let me show you how to install and add this application to your Google Chrome. It's clear. At the top here, wherever you see add to Chrome for free, you can simply click on that and it will take you over to the Chrome web store, where you can simply click on add to Chrome here at the top there and add that extension. And once you do that, the Chrome extension is installed. Now, you can scroll down here and you can get some instruction about the Duang AI plugin. So you can come here and you can simply read it. Now, I also want to mention to you, when you install this for the first time, you will also receive a pop-up that says that if you want to make the Duang AI automatically enabled when you open up a new tab. For me, it is not showing at the moment because I have installed this before and I've already acknowledged it, but I simply removed it for the time being so that I can show you how to install it, right? But you will definitely get that pop-up once you install it that simply asks you if you want to have that extension take over your new tabs when you open up a new tab. Now, once you do that, guys, all you have to do is just simply open up a new tab, and there you have it. It will greet you just like this so that you can see how to sign up for the Duang. You also have the information here about the tool and so forth. The sign up is very easy. You can use a Google account, Microsoft, Twitter, or if you have WeChat. But I think it's very easy to just simply use your Gmail, which I'm going to do real quick. Select my email address there and simply sign in. Now, once you're signed in, you're greeted with this really nice dashboard home screen here of Duang. And as I said, each time when you open up a new tab, you will see that dashboard here, because this is how it works, right? Now, within the dashboard here, you have these different widgets, right? But they are called apps. So you have a time widget, you also have a search, you have a to-do list that you can easily click on and make your to-dos and so forth. So that's very amazing and very easy. You can simply add and remove to-dos there by simply go ahead and click on the link, type a to-do to add it, and then you can easily add those to-dos there, right? You also have like your prompts, so you have different AI applications, you have chatbots, you have image tools, you have text tools, you have video tools, and you can easily add or remove any one of these as you like. You can right click on them and you can simply remove an AI tool if you no longer need it. So as you see there, you can add and remove any application as you see there. And if you'd like to add other application, guys, you can easily do so by simply going over towards the left hand side, and you can find those different applications from the app market, right? So you can find one. So for example, I want to add a history. I can simply go ahead and click and add, and it will add that history on my dashboard there. So you can go through it and you can find others as well. You have calendars, you have hot searches. You can simply go ahead and add hot searches from different sources. So you have, for example, Sky Sport, TechCrunch, Beep, and so much more. So you can come here and you can add those if you so desire, weather, and also to-dos, right? So this is how you can add various applications on your screen here, on your home screen here. Now, you can also play around with various tools as well. You can also play around with additional apps here. So for example, the search here, you can simply come here and you can click on images and you can search, and you can also add other searches. So let's say you want to add a search here, you can simply click on the plus icon, you can enter a website, and you can simply click on OK and add it. And then once you click on the main, you'll be able to find those searches here. You can click the plus from here and add it as well, right? Now, as for these applications, you can easily go ahead and add additional applications here. As you can see, you have shortcut to ChatGPT, Bing, Midjourney, and so much more. So you can easily add and remove as you like. To remove something, just simply right click on it and remove, and it will be removed. And to add it, you simply need to click the plus here, and you can go through a wide range of different categories here. So as it says VIP, you can add custom ones as well by adding the name, the URL. You can also see the preview, you can choose colors, and then once you submit, you will have it. I'm going to show you quickly how to add, for example, from the VIP section here. So let's say I would like to add something from the image option. And as you can see, it have DALL-E here. So I can simply go ahead and click this icon to go directly to the site, or I can click the pin. So if I click the pin, it will be added here on my screen. So I can easily come back here once I close this. So here you find that I now have the DALL-E on my screen. Now you can rearrange whatever you want on the page here, guys. So as you can see, if I would like to move the to-do or the clock somewhere, I can simply rearrange it and it will move automatically. So you can arrange it to your liking. Now, I want to show you something really cool. You have the wallpaper here, and in order to change your wallpaper, you can do it two ways, guys. You can right click and you can click add wallpaper, and you'll find add wallpaper. Or from the left side here, you can simply click on wallpaper and it opens up. So you can come here, you can choose between a few dynamic ones, and you can choose between various categories to find really nice wallpaper if you so desire. But have a look at the dynamic ones, which I really like. So you can click on dynamic, look at this one, and as you can see, I have like a live wallpaper in the back there with the eye blinking there. So really nice touch, right? You can also choose this one with the skies, and you can also go ahead and choose additional ones. Now I think this one is a bit much. I really like this one, or the eyes. You also have like a waterfall as well. So some really interesting stuff here, guys. It is very useful. I think it's very nice, right? So you can come here, you can choose between which one you like. So let me use this one for the time being, right? So additionally, you have something called prompts as well. So on the left hand side, you have prompts. So you can add prompts here. You can easily come here, you can click on a prompt and you can add the prompt. You can easily edit one if you so desire. So you can come here and you can put in the title, you can put the platform, you can modify and write your prompt. So if you're using AI and these AI tools, you can simply add your prompt and save them here. So, and you can modify them whenever you want. To add a prompt, you just need to click the plus icon, add whatever you want, and also add colors if you so desire, and you can simply go ahead and submit. So that's how you can add prompts. So very useful stuff there. Now, in terms of the pages, I would call these panel or pages on the left hand side. Below here, you have various ones, and you can add and you can remove and you can modify to your liking. So the first one, let's say, is my home with these applications here. You can click on the second one and you have another one, which is my hot searches. So if you want to see news and so forth, you can simply come here and you can add them, and you can click the plus and you can go through it, and you can find quite a lot as I showed you there to add. You have another prompt section here, which is showing quite a lot of prompts that you can add. you also have another one that's showing some GPT prompts and so forth. And as I said, you can add and remove as you like. So let's say I don't want this one here. I can simply go ahead and right click and simple click and delete. And that's how you can easily go ahead and delete one. And if you'd like to add, you can simply click the plus icon and it will add a new page for you, and you can start with adding your application if you so desire. You can add your apps if you so desire. So you can simply click on apps there and you can choose whatever you want. You can add whatever you want on this page and you can easily have it. So I will go ahead and click on add there, add my favorites there. So let's say I want that one, I add it here and I have this nice setup here. I can add tools and so forth if I so desire by coming here to the left hand side and click on something. So let's say I want something from the educational side, Grammarly or whatever, I can add Grammarly there. I can also add something else and so forth. I'll just click on a few of them and show you. And as I said, if you add a few, you would like to go to those websites, you can easily click on them and it will take you right over to the website. So it's a productivity tab and tool that organize all of your apps and your website and tools that you can have all in one place, organize them very nicely. And with a click of a button, you can have all of those websites at your fingertips. So very nice and very interesting here, guys. Now, towards the right hand side, you have a few options. You have the languages. You can switch between languages. You can also find some contact information, downloads as well, business card. You can find your prompts as well. You can find your MyChatGPT store. So you can click on that and it will take you over to their MyChatGPT store where you can find some additional things that you might find useful. So you can click between the two and you'll be able to see them. And you can also click the three dots on the right hand side and it will take you more into some of those tools as well. So as you can see, you have various categories here like you saw before when you click on those plus button towards the center, and you can go through the different categories and you can add whatever you want there, right? So to upgrade is also pretty easy, guys. You can simply click on the coupon and you can fill in those coupon here that you will have. And basically once you put in those coupon, you can easily go ahead and redeem your membership so that you can easily get the benefit of the discount there. But guys, as I said, this is just the tip of the iceberg. You can do so much within this platform and I'll be more than happy to show you how to use this tool. So I strongly recommend you go ahead, click the link in the description, install this Duang AI Tab and play around with it. Let me know what you think. I think you can really customize it to your liking, use it to your advantage, improve your productivity, and definitely improve your experience with browsing and the way you utilize Google Chrome and the web in general. Now guys, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below what you think about this AI tool and if you find it useful. And go ahead and try out the extension as well and come back and comment below. Let me know what you think. I think it's a very useful plugin that you can use to take your Chrome to a whole new level. And on top of that, guys, if you find this valuable, hit that like button. And also, if you'd like to see more videos just like this one. And on top of that, if you'd like to learn more how to use this plugin, let me know in the comments below because I'll be more than happy to create a dedicated playlist to show you step by step how to use various features within this AI extension for Google Chrome. So let me know in the comments below. Go ahead and let me know in the comments below so that I can get to it because I'm so excited about this plugin and I really hope that you can find this useful. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you next time for another tutorial just like this one.